Hello to all the hackers, judges, and Web3 enthusiasts watching my presentation. I'm Harishal, creator of the Collective Truth. So let's start. Here's the presentation outline. We'll be covering about the project and what's so special about it, initial release demo, and future plans of the project. I promise it wouldn't be as boring as you might imagine, so hold on till the end. Let's start with the quote. We live in a fantasy world, a world of illusion. The great task in life is to find reality. This is a famous quote by Iris Murdoch. The reason why I put up this here is because a very fact which inspired me to build this project is the recent Squid Game token rug pull scam. This inspired to build a project that provides truth from experts and the community and makes sure it reaches the target audience at the right time. So here's the project overview. It's an open cooperative space to gain and share about Web3 assets. The link, the collectivetruth.web.app, could be used to access the project. It's an initial prototype, so I highly recommend everybody to try it on and share your feedbacks. So, what's special about the collective truth? It provides information for everything and anything. This is a space where you can gain insights about Web3 assets, and it's easy to understand. That information that could be digested by general public, unlike complex audits. And it involves a reward mechanism which incentivizes users to exhibit useful behavior such as providing value or information to the system. And since it's a collective truth and not manipulated or centralized in any way by a single entity, it avoids partisanship through consensus and feedback from users. Here is the target audience for this project. It could be investors who are looking forward to invest in crypto, or the community Web3 enthusiasts who would like to gain and share insights about the assets, or it could be an expert who is willing to share his nuanced knowledge of expertise in a specific domain like smart contract analysis or any other domain, who could be rewarded by sharing his knowledge. So let's take a look at the initial release. The present prototype contains token rewards. New users start with 0 tokens and make their way to more than zero as they keep providing value to the system. And they can rate assets, request assets, and they can discuss in the forum and upward, downward comment. So let's take a look at the demo. This would include the user registration, request, rate, and discussion. Give me a moment as I share the other screen. Yep. Every user starts with the landing page. They can click on join the space now and connect their MetaMask wallet. Make sure you got Polygon for some sample Matic tokens on your Polygon testnet, or else you wouldn't be able to perform any operation on the chain. So I just set my username and bio and submit. This is an important step, so please don't skip it. This is the part where the system registers your user account and it adds to the database. So while that is happening, let's go to the explore section. I've copied the address of a tether and we would be requesting it. So as soon as I am logged in, I should be able to request this because it's grayed out because I haven't logged in. But I'm logged in now, so I'm able to request asset. So let us do that. So this is what the system is meant to do. Whenever a new asset comes into the market and into the space, we want to incentivize people to who provide value to the system by requesting asset which is not deducted by the system before. And there's this community section where you could see what the community is talking about. You can upvote and downvote the other people's comments. And and as you can see, my token balance has increased to 1 because since I've requested for tether, I'm rewarded for the same. So let me switch over to another. Let's get back to my presentation. Okay, so that was a quick demo. I couldn't really show you the streamlined way because it would take a lot of time. So I hope you don't mind that. So here are the future plans for the project. Currently, I'm working on building the audit section. The goal is to come up with a reward mechanism that favors experts who submit valuable information, understandable by general public, because it can't be complex, because it could not be digested, and that would defeat the whole purpose of it. And currently, the system only supports ERC20 tokens. My goal is to extend this to D apps, DeFi apps, and basically anything in the Web3 space. And the final plan is to redefine the UX because I've built a very basic design that just works and it's not appealing and user friendly. So thank you so much for watching my presentation. Here are some of my contact info. feel free to contact me and share your feedbacks. Thank you so much, everybody.